Let's learn how you can find your Instagram friends in the new Threads application. So the new Threads application is linked to Instagram because the same company makes them, and you can easily find your Instagram friends and follow them with just one click. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices, so just follow my steps. Let's open our Threads application. And if you have a specific person in mind that you want to follow, then click here and you can search for his name or username. His or her username will be the same as it is on Instagram, so just type the username and you should find them if they had joined Threads and created an account. But if you want to find all of your Instagram friends and follow them with one click, then you want to go to your Threads profile and then click where it says followers. After that, we want to tap on this following section and it will open the list of people that we follow on Threads. And if we want to find the list of people that we follow on Instagram, you will see the text at the top that says see others you're following on Instagram that you're not following on Threads yet. And you want to tap on this little see all button right here. This will open a list of all the people we follow on Instagram, and we can start following them. Keep in mind that we can click on the follow button, and we can see a message that says you'll automatically follow this account once they join Threads. That means that this person that we follow on Instagram doesn't have a Threads account yet, but we will automatically start following them once they do create an account. And if you want to follow all the accounts at once, click on this follow all button and that's it. You will import all of the people you follow on Instagram over to the Threads application. I really hope that this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to leave a like on it and I will see you in the next video.